The saying laughter is the best medicine is a well-known and timeless adage that reflects the idea that humor and laughter have significant positive effects on a person's physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It encapsulates the notion that humor and laughter can serve as powerful remedies for various challenges and stresses in life. The origin of this phrase is not attributed to a single source, but similar sentiments about the healing power of laughter can be traced back to ancient civilizations. Throughout history, various cultures have recognized the therapeutic value of humor and laughter, and this idea has persisted across generations. At its core, laughter is the best medicine underscores the profound impact of laughter on the human body and mind. When we laugh, our brain releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals that promote feelings of happiness and reduce stress and pain. This physiological response explains why laughter is often associated with an immediate sense of relief and well-being. From a physical health perspective, laughter has been linked to several beneficial effects. It can boost the immune system by increasing the production of immune cells and antibodies, making the body more resilient to illnesses. Regular laughter can also improve cardiovascular health by enhancing blood flow, reducing inflammation, and relaxing blood vessels. Furthermore, laughter can serve as a natural painkiller. It can increase pain tolerance and reduce the perception of pain, making it an effective coping mechanism for individuals dealing with chronic pain or discomfort. This is why laughter therapy and humor have been integrated into some medical treatments and rehabilitation programs. On a mental and emotional level, laughter is the best medicine speaks to the capacity of humor to alleviate stress, anxiety, and tension. Laughter triggers the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which contribute to improved mood and decrease feelings of depression. It can also foster a sense of connection and social bonding, as laughter is often a shared experience that brings people closer together. In social settings, humor and laughter play a crucial role in communication and building relationships. They break down barriers, defuse conflicts, and create a positive atmosphere. People are drawn to those who have a good sense of humor and can make them laugh, making laughter a powerful social tool. Moreover, laughter is a source of resilience and adaptability. It helps individuals cope with life's challenges by providing a temporary escape from stressors and allowing them to gain perspective on difficult situations. It promotes a more optimistic outlook and helps people approach adversity with a lighter heart. Laughter is the best medicine also suggests that humor and laughter are accessible to everyone and can be incorporated into daily life. It encourages individuals to seek out moments of humor, whether through jokes, funny stories, or engaging in activities that make them laugh. In summary, laughter is the best medicine is a profound adage that underscores the therapeutic and transformative power of humor and laughter in promoting overall well-being. It acknowledges the physical, mental, and emotional benefits of laughter, emphasizing its role in reducing stress, enhancing health, fostering social connections, and promoting resilience. This timeless saying serves as a reminder of the simple yet profound joy that laughter can bring into our lives.